Today I'm thrilled to bring to you a special nighttime skincare routine with Biophora, a fantastic skincare brand dedicated to providing effective solutions for healthy and radiant skin. It's very important that you prep your skin with lukewarm water before applying anything to your face. My first step to my routine at nighttime is using the Bioactive Cleanser. I absolutely love this cleanser as I find that it really removes the dirt and oil that's been trapped on my face all day long, and especially love that it is unscented. Up next is the Bioactive Solution Extra Strength. The solution contains active ingredients that help exfoliate the skin gently. Regular use of the solution can help remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and improve skin texture, resulting in a smoother and more radiant complexion. The next step to my nighttime routine is the Bioactive Gel. This is a mini peel, which is a deep exfoliation, removing layers of dead skin. The deep exfoliation helps with razor bumps, acne scarring, and a more even skin tone. So the Bioactive Gel is a mini home care peel. Last but not least, my favorite product, the Nighttime Protection Cream. The Nighttime Protection Cream is formulated with rich moisturizing ingredients that deeply hydrate your skin while you sleep. It helps replenish the skin's moisture barrier, preventing dryness and keeping your skin soft. I absolutely love my nighttime routine with Biophora, making my nighttime routine simple, easy, and effective.